In this video, I'll show you how to set up options trading on Webull. Start by signing into your Webull account using the mobile app or desktop platform. Next, make sure your brokerage account is approved and fully verified before applying for options trading. After that, open the Accounts section and navigate to Manage Brokerage Account or Trading Permissions, depending on your version of Webull. Now select Options Trading and begin the application. Next, complete the options trading questionnaire by providing information about your investment experience, financial situation, trading objectives, and risk tolerance. After that, review the options disclosure documents and accept the required agreements. Now submit your application and wait for Webull to review your request. Approval times may vary depending on your account and region. Next, once your application has been approved, search for a stock or ETF that offers options. After that, open the Assets Details page and tap the Options tab to view the available option chains. Now choose the expiration date, strike price, and whether you want a call or put option, then review the order details carefully before placing a trade. Finally, monitor your options positions from your portfolio and review your account regularly to track performance and manage risk. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up options trading on Webull. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.